Now, I told you that client sends the request and server sends the response, and this is how client and server communicate with each other. But how does the client know where to send the request? And how does the server know where to send the response? Because there are billions of devices connected to the internet. How does the client know where the server is? So, just like to send a mail, you need a mailing address, you need some sort of address to the destination machine to communicate with it. So what happens is every device on the internet is assigned or given a unique 32-bit number known as IP address, short form for Internet Protocol Address. And it is this IP address that is used by the machines on the internet to communicate with each other. So now someone needs to assign these IP addresses to the devices because they need to be unique. Now the question might arise, who assigns these IP addresses to the devices on the internet? The answer is Internet Service Provider. The Internet Service Provider assigns these IP addresses to the devices on the internet. Now, what are these Internet Service Providers or ISPs? These are organizations that provide internet connections and services to the individuals and organizations. Like in US, AT&T Internet is one of the ISPs, and in India, BSNL is one of the ISPs. So these ISPs assign IP addresses to the devices on the internet, and these devices then use these IP addresses to communicate with each other. Okay,